The electric pressure washer 2025 stands out with an impressive capability of delivering up to 5,000 pounds per square inch of water pressure, making it a powerful ally against stubborn dirt. Its versatility is enhanced by 4 different nozzles, allowing you to adjust the intensity from a concentrated 0 degrees to a gentle 40 degrees spray, ensuring effective cleaning for various surfaces. A key feature is its energy-saving total stop system, which automatically shuts down the unit when not in use, prolonging the washer's lifespan and conserving power. The washer is equipped with a deluxe foam cannon, perfect for creating a thick lather for car washing, ensuring thorough and safe cleaning. With a generous 33 feet pressure hose and a 16.4 feet GFCI-equipped power cord, you can safely and easily reach distant cleaning areas outdoors. Supported by a 2-year warranty and 24/7 technical support, this pressure washer promises reliability and peace of mind for any user.